Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a try on haul and we are featuring pieces from Pretty Little Things. So let's get right into it. The first item that I'm trying out is the emerald green slinky ruche one shoulder long line midi dress. Now I will say this one almost had me. I love the color, it's so pretty, but I ended up returning it because I didn't like the fact that the dress didn't have a lot of give, but it is a pretty dress, I can't lie. So if you guys see anything in this haul that you like, I am providing all the links in the description box below. So feel free to kind of look through those if you find something that you like in this haul. That's why I'm trying it out for you guys. But with that being said, we are going to move on to the next piece. The next piece is called the cherry red constructed satin mesh sleeve ruche midi dress. Now, one thing I like about this dress is the top. It has a corset top. It has a split hem in the back. I like that. And it also has like a scrunch skirt bottom to it. I love the sleeves on it. It has like sleeves that are breathable, and I love the neckline. I do. And I love all the features of this dress. It's very, very pretty. Like, I can't express that enough. It is so pretty in person. And I decided to pair it with some brown heels. You guys can pair it with whatever color heels that you see fit. These were, I'm not gonna lie, they were convenient for the video. So I just kind of threw those on just to give you an idea of how it can be styled a little bit. But I love it. Oh, this dress is so cute. It's so cute, and I would say it's almost perfect. The only thing I wish about this dress is that it was a little bit shorter. And when I say that, I mean like maybe right below the knee would be perfect. It would give it more class. It felt like the fabric just kept going on and on, but it's still cute long. It's still cute long, but I would have preferred it like right about there, you know? But with that being said, we're done with this piece. We're going to move on to the next piece. The next piece that we're trying out is the black velvet corset detailed jumpsuit. Now, the features on this one is the corset top. The pants, they actually separate in the front. I guess this makes it easy if you have to change or go to the bathroom. And you'll notice there's also like a tie in the back for the corset, but there's also a zipper on the side, so it also helps it makes it easier if you need to change or whatever else. I also love how the tie is long. I love how it like falls down super long and it doesn't just stop right at the waistline. It is velvet, so it's one of those pieces where you kind of have to decide whether you're gonna wear it in the summer or the winter. I decided to wear it at the end of spring. It was the perfect time. It wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold, and I got a lot of compliments. It is super comfortable, y'all. It's super comfortable. So we're gonna move on to the next piece. Now I'm trying on the Pretty Little Thing logo short sleeve bodysuit in the color black, and I paired it with the logo high-waisted sweatpants in the color black. I believe these are super popular. I'm not gonna lie, but I see why. They are super comfortable. They feel so nice on the skin. You can actually I threw on some sneakers with this, but you can do a lot of things, as you will see. And I love it. It's super comfortable for like a nice little chill day. I actually got the same thing in the color toffee, and this time I paired it with some Yeezy Slides, just to kind of mix it up. It's so funny, one of the first times I wore these shoes around one of my friends, they told me that the shoes were super ugly, and I'm like, that's so funny because I didn't ask you. I'm not wearing these for style necessarily. These shoes, I wore them because I messed my leg up, and I thought it was gonna help. But if you wear those for too long, I don't know about anybody else. Comment in the comment section below if y'all have Yeezys or similar shoes. I know other companies make similar shoes. But let me know if they get irritating after a while. For me, it's not enough support, so it gets annoying. So don't go in there thinking you wear them for 5 hours and walk around like you know, I went out of town and was walking around with them and they were hurting a little bit. But anyways, when it comes to this jumpsuit, absolutely love the color. That color actually goes good on anybody. I would highly recommend these sweatpants and shirt combos. They did really good with them. I've tried a lot of companies and I like theirs the best so far. Like, they're one of my favorite by how it feels, how thick it is. You don't have to worry about it being see-through, those types of things, and comfort level. So, and thus far, I will say I haven't had them long. I haven't had these jumpsuits long, I'll be honest. But I haven't had issues with any color fading. I did purchase some super expensive sweats from another popular company. And I hated that they had little, like, I think it's called when the fabric piles and everything. It has the little balls on there. And it faded. I was just super disappointed, and it was a big waste of money. But these seem like heavy duty, and they seem like good material. So I would highly recommend. So with that being said, that's the look on these. Now I'm going to move into the next item, which is the Shaped Charcoal Gray Cotton Scoop Neck Seam Bodysuit, and it's paired with the Shaped Charcoal Pocket High-Waisted Cuff Sweatpants. Now these, we had a little beef going on because I kept returning them to get a smaller size. Like, if you do get these, make sure you get them in like 2 sizes smaller, because it's ridiculous how big. I feel like those hammer pants that people used to wear back in the day, that's what I feel like. The feel isn't everything. If like wearing it is super comfortable if you want to be bummy at home, but when it comes to like style and everything, I got a little, I don't know, something going on there. But you guys can pair it with any type of shoes that you want to pair with. I paired it with some cool grays, but I don't know, I'm not like hard set on that. So yeah, we're gonna move on to the next outfit. It's probably one of my favorites again, as far as comfort level and style, and you could just do a lot with it. So this is the black crinkle rib half zip bodysuit, and I paired it with the black crinkle rib split hem leggings. That's also paired with the white hooded crop vest. That white hooded crop vest, I couldn't pass up on. It is more of a end of fall, beginning of winter type of jacket, but it was $10 and it's super cute with this outfit. So when it starts getting colder out, I will probably rock this a little bit. Even with the bodysuit, or not the bodysuit, the pants, the shirt, those items are a little thicker. So I have had to wait until it gets a little bit cooler, you know, before I wear those. But essentially, the outfit is super cute. The neckline is higher, you know, and one of the other features that I like on these is the split hem. Those are super cute because I like the whole concept of your shoe. It's like, it's, you know, it's kind of chilling in the background, but then when you turn to the side, it has that pop of color. So I don't know, that's just the way I think, but I do like the concept of, like, you know, you turn to the side and your shoe kind of pops with the color. It's not doing too much, but you see what it's doing. So essentially, I love this outfit. I would give it probably like a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's super cute. And I just wanted, like I said, I wanted to give you guys options. I'm just showing you how you could style it with the jacket zipped up, zipped down, open, off, hood on, hood off. I'm giving you guys so much to work with. So if you do decide to get it, you have a concept of what you want to do with it. Even if it's like, oh, I just want the vest, I don't want the outfit. Or I want the outfit, I don't want the vest. So anyways, essentially just wanted to quickly show you how the outfit looked without the vest on. It's still super cute, super comfy. So pretty much that's gonna wrap up this video. For all my new subscribers, thank you. I appreciate you guys. And for my day ones, I appreciate you guys. Like, I can't even do you like that. Like, I appreciate everybody. So I just want to put that out there. Thank you once again for watching this video. For all my newbies, stick around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.